You tuned into the Now Morning Show, the Ash Wednesday edition, where we are post-carnival and therefore focused on the future. This morning, we are talking teens in health, and that's because they are hosting an Easter camp, GCI that is, to make sure that teens get involved, not just with taking care of themselves, but taking care of others. We'll explain with Project Administrator Aliyah Ali as she joins us here on the Now Morning Show. Good morning and welcome.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely necessary, because when we think of Easter camps, we don't necessarily think about teens in health. Describe to me the concept, or even before that, who is GCI in terms of putting on this camp, and then tell us what we can expect.
Okay, so Global Career Institute is a dynamic educational institute that's been serving the Commonwealth Caribbean for nearly a decade. We offer a variety of different professional development courses as well as educational courses for a variety of different persons. And we focus on healthcare, business management, and we do the workshops and camps such as the Teens in Health Easter Camp, and we are upcoming the Next Gen Success Program.
So with a focus on business and health, in terms of what we're going to expect in this camp, it's actually going to be getting them ready for the work world then.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit as to who is expected to attend and what format it's going to take.
Okay, so Teens in Health is a very unique opportunity for teenagers who are looking to become a part of the healthcare career world. So it takes place from the 14th to the 19th of April, and they can look forward to being mentored by healthcare professionals. So we have a variety of different healthcare professionals coming in, from a physician to teen health specialist. We have dentists, veterinarians, every sector we try to cover it so that they can get the internship, the mentorship from these healthcare professionals.
And I imagine it would have some sort of stipulated age group, because you want to make sure that you get them when they can pay attention.
So we're looking at 14 to 19.
14 to 19? Now, are there any sort of documents that they're required to work with or anything of the sort?
No, just once you have an interest in becoming or if you have the interest in becoming a healthcare professional, we want the persons to get a good foundation. So you get the step-by-step guidance from the healthcare professionals, as well as the mentorship of availability. They will be able to ask whatever questions they need, and a lot of people don't have the opportunity for that hands-on exposure.
For sure. We know that makes a big difference in determining what to do next. But in terms of the actual expectation, this being the first one, what do we hope that they derive out of these sorts of endeavors?
So from this camp, we hope that teens can become inspired to enter the world of healthcare, not be intimidated by it and the skills required for it. We hope that the teens can take from this program the step-by-step guidance, take away the mentorship, take away all the guidance that they would be given to start and build a strong foundation for their healthcare futures.
Now, granted that you've described to us who's going to be there, tell me a little bit as to how the format or the execution will actually take place. Are we talking about group conversations, one-on-one interactions, presentations?
Yes, so the daily schedule will run. So we have our introduction, then we have our speaker come in. So we will have, for example, a pediatrician and a teen health specialist on the first day. They have a portion of time where they speak, and then they will have an interactive session with the kids so they can do an interactive activity. Then they'll have a break, and then we'll have another specialist come in, and then we'll do a recap, a review. They have the opportunities to ask questions. If they didn't understand anything, we review everything with them at the end of the day.
Does that mean then that it might be a good idea to attend all days, or do we have the
Yes,
same,
you would need to attend all days.
to get the most out of it?
Yes.
Now, for those who want to attend, is there any sort of registration or fee process?
Okay, so the registration process. You can do the registration online via our website, or they can contact our registration team at 610-2855, and they can contact us and we can walk them through the process. Basically, you click on the link, fill out the information, and then you can do a bank transfer for the payment. The price-wise for the program, it's $1,500 for all days. However, we do offer the payment option to do part payment, so you can just do a down payment of $750 and then you can do weekly installments, but the payment must be completed before the start of the program. Yes.
Makes sense. That means that also there wouldn't be the opportunities to walk in on the day to
No.
make any sort of additions. But
Our
that means that
registration
everybody's
would
going to
be closed at
catered to.
April 4th.
Now, granted that this is the first of its kind, there must be other plans in the pipeline. Tell me what else we can look forward to or add to our calendar.
Okay, so we can look forward to the Next Gen Success Program. That is a 8-week skill building program. It prepares teens and young adults with interpersonal and professional skills. We can look forward to learning financial literacy, digital literacy, communication skills, and so many other important skills that they will need to equip for a successful future.
Now, overall, this is, yes, geared towards getting more young persons involved in the health sector. But tell us a little bit as to what you think the challenges are to begin with and what we will hopefully be able to overcome through these sorts of programs.
Okay, so I think that the challenge of getting teenagers interested in the healthcare is that there's a lack of hands-on exposure and early hands-on exposure. So also there's a lack of awareness of the variety of jobs within the healthcare sector. It's more than just being a doctor. There's so much more than that. So we hope that we can provide them with a environment that allows them to learn, ask questions, and gain the knowledge of how the workings of the healthcare sector. And from the camp, they will be going on a tour of a private hospital so that they can see healthcare professionals in action, as well as see the hierarchy, see how it works, and, just kind of get that hands-on experience that most persons may not have the opportunity to.
I think some of the adults should be joining them because I know quite a few of us, and I speak for myself as well, aren't exactly entirely aware of what is an opportunity in the healthcare sector. So this is a beautiful initiative. Best of luck with all of it. And for now, persons can go to the website to register already?
Yes,
nice.
Registration is open.
Hoping that you have a sold-out registration process as we are getting ready to support Teens in Health. The Easter Camp is happening soon, and if you want to be a part of it, you can head on to the website to register your child between the ages of 13 to 17 and get them in the field of healthcare the right way. This is the Now Morning Show, though. We've got even more that you can learn after these messages.
I can't understand where the love when we need that. It's all I really want is a home that have me back.